Hello, my dears. Today we are discussing very important topic, the basic principles of yoga. In our previous discussion, we talked about etiquette, manner, and yoga. So, in etiquette, many yogic tips are prescribed by the sages and also told the benefits of all the tips which are practiced in daily life or in the life occasionally or regularly. So the benefits are also told by the sages. The person or the kid or the boy or the girl who is educated, mannered, humble, serving spirit, and very loving and caring. So, such type of kids deserve to attain the blessings of the seniors, of the veterans, of the parents, of the teachers, of the elders. And it is therefore told in the scriptures that Abhivadana Shilasya Nityam Buddhopasevinah Chatvari Tatra Vardhante Ayurvidya Yashovalam. That means the kid who is mannered, educated, polite, humble, serving, loving, caring to the seniors, to the elders, naturally attains four things. What are four things? Ayur Vidya Yasho Balam means Ayur age. Everybody says in blessing, live long, be happy, live long. So is Vidya. Oh, you study too much and get good progress in your life. Such type of blessings come from the core of the heart and really they manifest. Ayurvidya Yasho Valam and the such type of kid attains the fame also in his life because of blessings of the seniors and of the veterans, of the elders, parents, teachers, etc. Balam, the power, the person or the kid who has all these virtues, all these things, definitely is a very powerful. And these are the effect of the blessing. So this is the benefit of the educated kid, a manner kid, a polite kid, a serving kid. Now I am going to talk some related to this yoga into punishment. As we know, in the schools, the teacher punishes the students, mother also punishes the kid in order to develop him a good kid, a good person in his future. So, some yogic tips are also prescribed as a punishment. Actually, they are not punishment, uh, but they are actually treatment. So we should use the word treatment, not punishment. So yoga in as a treatment, or yoga as a treatment treated as a punishment to 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 make the kid a good person in the future. So in the scriptures there are four varieties of tips are prescribed. First is twisting earlobes. Earlobe pressing, twisting. This is the first tip which is used as a punishment to revive the energy into mind and the body of the kid. And the second is quick sit stand pressing earlobes. Pressing earlobes, quick sit and stand very fast, 10 times, 20 times, 40 times, as prescribed by the or commanded by the teacher in the class. If any kid is naughty and is disturbing the class and is not paying attention to the subject or the decorum of class. And third is formation, cooked posture. Cooked means cock, C-O-C-K, cock, not hen. So cock posture. Cock posture is very beneficial for the children, for the kids, because in such formation, blood circulation becomes so fast in our head portion, and uh, all the boredoms and all the revulsion and mm, not to be interested in study, such type of boring uh, attitude is controlled by the cooked formation because of fulfillment of sufficient energy in the head portion. And fourth is caning on the palms only. Here, the teacher uses cane and caning on the palms only, not in any other part of the body. This is the matter of caring. If you are a teacher or if you are guardian, then you have to be very careful when you punish to the kids to teach them the lesson. So you need first to be well lessoned to give the lesson to the kids. Okay, so these are the four kinds of punishment prescribed in the schools, and they are going on even now all over the world. So this is the question, that what happens when we press our earlobe. Actually, the twisting and pressing of the ears of the kid is not a punishment but a treatment of the psychic fragility and mental exhaustion. It charges the brain and provides mental stamina. It activates all the mental functions and removes the boredom and revulsion from the mind of the kid. So this is so beneficial. If if actually the twisting and pressing earlobe, it is for small and mischievous kid who are between 5 to 12 years old and he is naughty in the class. When such a child, when such a child is naughty, it means his or her mind is overactive, making the kid do psychological acts of naughtiness, but his intelligence is not active. The mental machinery requires sufficient energy. This is the lack of life current in the brain. So, to supply energy to the brain cells for the good functioning of the brain, sages advise that the earlobes of the nutty child should be twisted for 2 minutes to strengthen intellect and subdue the mind is the purpose of this yogic tip, which is known as a punishment, but actually it is treatment. Likewise, I'm quoting some quotations from my book, because I have written this book and you can see the book. This is the yoga for young India. So quickly sit down and stand up, pressing earlobes. Earlobes, it is second step. Earlobes pressing and quick sit, stand, quick sit, stand, sit, stand. What happens actually in such in the schools, in the Gurukulas, in the boarding schools in India, in ancient India, and even now in the schools, these punishments are being given. So it is very important uh, to strengthen the stamina of the students in such a way. So I mean to say this, that these are not the punishment, these are the yogic tips, treatment to revive the energy and make the student very positive and healthy and calm and cool, and to maintain the decorum of the class. And actually, this is the game of energy. Why any child is so active and makes nuttiness and makes a mischief, and he becomes a very mischievous boy or girl in the class, because the lacking of the energy in his mind, requires activity, and that activity generates energy in whole body, and that maintains the requirement of energy into each and every cell of the body and mind, and as a result equanimity comes, a balanced state of mind comes, and that is the good stature or the good posture or the good position or the good uh, ness of the mind, because that gives stability, and that stability is a must in the class to understand the subject and to uh, to teach, uh, to learn the lesson from the teacher. So thank you very much for today, and rest I will discuss in next session. Please subscribe and like and share also. Thank you very much.